Everything you're looking at right here started in a 1-gallon pot. And if you don't understand what's happening early, you won't get this later on. This isn't just a grow, this is a system. What's going on, kings and queens? It's good to be back. It's King Nebulous, and welcome to King Nebulous Garden. Now, we started this run in 1-gallon pots. 6 went in, only 4 made it. 2 are GMO-based genetics, GMO crossed with GMO cookies. That's from Ethos. 1 is Ice Cream and Cake from Elevate Seeds, and the other one is Kush Mint from Barney's Farm. Starting in 1-gallon pots with ocean forest gives the plants a strong base, but the goal is still the same: control. At this stage, I'm not forcing growth. I'm watching the plant and letting the roots establish. You don't grow on a schedule, you grow based on the plant. Now we move into early veg, around week 3 to 4. You'll notice you don't see much before this, because this stage is about development, not showing off. Now we're moving into veg, around week 5 to 6. This is where the timing starts to matter. Everything here carries forward: root development, structure, timing. You don't fix this later, you build it early. Now we're transitioning into flower, and this is where control becomes very, very critical. Now, before going into full flower, I cleaned the plants up. This isn't just a random defoliation. This is opening the plant so the light can reach where it needs to go. Now we're in flower, week 1 into week 2. Stretch is happening, but structure is already set. Before getting here, I made a few decisions on structure. Most of them I topped and femmed to control the plant's growth and to spread the energy across more sites instead of just one dominant top. Now on the Kush Mints, I had to go super crop that baby. That wasn't random, that was intentional. By bending the tops and breaking the dominance, it forces the plants to redirect the energy across the canopy instead of just pushing it vertically. What that does is create more even development, more bud sites, and better use of the light overall. Now, combined with that, I didn't just strip the plant completely, I opened it up. Lower sites that would normally stay weak are now getting access to the light, and that changes how they develop going into flower. So now when you look at the canopy, you're not just seeing growth, you're seeing structure that was built and controlled early. And that's the difference. Same development, same tint, but different outcomes based on decisions. You don't grow everything the same. You read the plant and you adjust. Now we're setting up for week 3 of flower. This was done right before the start of week 3. So the plants are ready going into the next phase. And then we're gonna boost the light up tomorrow as well, give them a proper feeding tonight, so they'll be ready for week 3, first day of week 3 of flower. Everything is done with intention, and everything is done based on what the plant is showing. And this is what it builds into. From 1-gallon start to structure to flower. This is King Nebulous Garden. If you're building your grow the right way, subscribe. And if you're already growing, drop something in the comments and let me know where you at. Next run, we start from cups and we'll break that down step by step. Next episode, cup start system. Stay tuned. Peace.